I've been doing some study with Dr. Joe Dispenza at the moment. I'm doing one of his pre-courses so that I can go to an event of his. But I wanted to share with you something that kind of blew my mind. It was a massive light bulb moment. I think you'll find it really interesting and helpful and may be able to put some things into perspective for you and help you just change a few habits so that you actually get the results in creating the new future that you want. So let me share with you a little exercise that I'm watching at the moment because it's super powerful.
So now, this says, where you place your attention is where you place your energy. So then, this is the outer world of physical reality. This is your inner world of thoughts and feelings. Are you with me still? So you wake up in the morning and you reach for that cell phone and you check your texts, your WhatsApp, you got to check your Facebook. There's your pets. Woo-hoo. Almost left them out. Now, here's my question. If where you place your attention is where you place your energy, how much energy do you have for your inner world of thoughts and feelings to create a different outer world? Is aroused as you shift your attention from one thing to one place to one person to one particular time. As you do that, you're activating those different neurological networks in your brain, yes or no? Yes. And like a lightning storm, all of a sudden they're firing very incoherently. And when your brain is incoherent, you're incoherent because you're shifting your attention very quickly from one to the next, and the brain is becoming very disintegrated, very compartmentalized. How many people are with me?
So that got me thinking about what had happened in my day this morning, in that I got up going, okay, I'm going to do a meditation, but then I got sidetracked by all this other stuff in my life, like the kids, and then, oh, what am I going to have for breakfast? Oh, I better check my Facebook. Oh, I better turn my computer on, and all these other things. And I thought, oh my gosh, I've not had time now to do my meditation, to set my world to honor and observe those inner feelings so that I can change them to what I want them to be.